It is still the prosecution's turn to try and convince the judge, Officer Dominic Pettis, and now retired Officer Keith Sandy should be criminally charged for the shooting death of James Boyd. They began the day not going after the officers in the courtroom, but their colleague, questioning why the sergeant on scene of the shooting waited 10 days to turn in his lapel camera and why there wasn't video on it.
To your knowledge, were there any videos recovered of this incident from that lapel camera that had been formatted?
From the incident, no.
Then prosecutors called in an expert. He showed photos of Boyd's clothing, 5 layers of it, and showed how he reconstructed the scene of the shooting, slowed down video of the shooting, and showed more graphic autopsy photos. He tried to show the court the officers fired a total of 6 shots, 2 of Sandy's bullets struck Boyd and 1 from Pettis, that shots from both of those officers could have killed Boyd. Then,
Mr. Boyd has started his turn when he is shot.
Any doubt in your expert opinion on that?
No.
but the defense went to town.
The first shot of Mr. Perez most likely strikes him in the back.
That's not, okay, most likely.
Yes.
Most likely. You're not sure of that either.
That expert witness admitted he didn't read the entire police report, and when it came to the guns the officers used in the shooting,
I've never looked through optics or used optics. I don't hunt. I'm not familiar with the use of scopes or optical scopes.
You've never shot this kind of gun?
I have not.
the defense also told the court the shooting happened in under 2 seconds, that the dog handler was within 8 feet of a man armed with knives who had repeatedly threatened to kill police. Okay, you all, late this afternoon, the state rested its case. The defense then asked the judge to drop the charges against the 2 officers. The judge took the involuntary manslaughter charges off the table, but not those other charges. We're going to have a lot more on this developing story coming up at 6.